Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how I clean my makeup brushes. So to start, you're going to be needing a soap. I'm using this one from Beauty Blender. I think you can get it in Sephora for I think like $16. But you don't need to use this one. You can use any soap that has some kind of antibacterial ingredients in it. Besides that, you're going to need a towel. Actually, I'm going to be using two towels. I'm going to show you why. And I'm gonna be using this. You're gonna see why also. Obviously, you need to start with selecting your water temperature. I'm waiting for like a nice, how do you say that word?
Lukewarm.
For lukewarm water. Awesome. Okay, you have this towel. Put it right here. Let's start with the cleaning process. So this Beauty Blender soap has, I think this is like, I don't know how you call this, but it's like a cleaning mat. It helps while the cleaning process is happening. So we have this dirty brush, put it under water, swirl around a little, take this. So this has this little tiny, I don't know how you call these things, but like these bumps that makes the cleaning easier. Do it a couple of times until you see your brush is really clean, until the foam doesn't have any color. So now why I use the other towel is I just like to use this for blotting. And then you have to let them dry. So I use this surface just so my brushes are not 100% like laying on the ground. I like to put them like this, just so the water doesn't like stay in the brush, so it kind of drips below. Another brush, same thing. I just try to get a couple different brushes that are different size and shape. Same thing, you just dip it in the soap and wash it until you see the foam is white. Sometimes for those brushes I use for like foundation or concealer, they need a couple extra brushes because a couple extra washes. Well, yeah, so also you can just like squeeze it like this for all the excess water and then use this for gentle blotting. And our third brush is the biggest one we have right here. Also put it under water. Roll around in your soap. Make it all nice and foamy. And I think that's it. So I'm doing the blotting again. And place it right here. So I don't know why the long pause right now, but so yeah, if you're a makeup artist, I'm sure you already know that you need to clean your brushes after every use, after every client, or basically don't ever use the same brush on multiple people. But if your brushes are only for you, I would suggest washing them minimum once a month. I know some people do it even less than once a month, but basically what I do with my brushes, I wash them I would say maybe like once a week, even though I have a lot of brushes, so I don't need to clean them that often, but I have multiples of each of them. So you should clean your brushes because they're a big factor of breakouts on your skin, because your product keeps building and building, and that way bacteria keeps growing and you're putting that all over your face. So make sure to clean your brushes. That's it. If you have any questions, you can leave me a comment, you can send me a DM, whatever you feel like. I'm happy to help, and thank you for watching.